Bonjour and welcome back to Anyone and Can Cook. Today we will be teaching you how to make sauteed asparagus.
Okay, what you want to do first is you want to set your stove to medium heat and turn on the vents to circulate the air too. Next you want to grab a pan and then melt down a nice big glob of butter. Next you want to take your asparagus, put it in the pan, and then cover it for a few minutes to let it soften up. Next, you want to uncover your pan and start stirring your asparagus with either a spatula or a spoon until it gets nice and golden brown and starts to shrink down quite a bit. Then once your asparagus is cooked, be sure to put it in a microwave-safe Tupperware dish, and don't forget to take out those leftover chicken tenders you've been saving for the past couple of weeks out of your air fryer. Put them both on a paper plate and boom! You've got a nice plate of sauteed asparagus and some leftover chicken tenders to go with it.